Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to redeem Capital One Shopping rewards. First, open your web browser and go to the Capital One Shopping website or launch the mobile app on your phone. Once you are inside your account, look at the bottom menu. You will see several tabs. From the menu, find and select the option labeled My Rewards and Savings or just Savings. This section shows your current reward balance and any available savings you have earned through the platform. Next, locate your available balance. You will see a button next to it that says Redeem Now. Click on that button to start the redemption process. You will now see a list of gift card options from different brands. Take your time to browse through the available choices. When you find a brand you like, click on it. Then select the amount you want to redeem and confirm your selection. After completing the redemption, you will need to wait a short time for delivery. In most cases, your digital gift card will be sent to your account or email within 3 business days. Thanks for watching.